Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. In this lecture, we will try to understand flex direction, and you can even set flex direction property using Bootstrap class. Yes friend. Now remember one thing, we are applying these properties to the container, not on items but on containers where we have the items. Like say, in our previous one, see the parent is having, or the container is having the property of dflex, okay, or d inline flex. Okay, so let's come to flex direction. Here also, if you take a look at this document, at the first section, let's take a look at the first section. Inside first section, we have two headings. One is display flex, and then we have flex row mentioned here. Next we have one container, and then another heading, another container. Alright. Now flex direction value can be either flex row or flex row reverse, flex column or flex column reverse. Now by default, this is the default value, flex row. Flex row is the default value of flex direction. Alright. So what happens is, the flex direction is flex row. Alright. So first we will have dflex line 1. Next to it we will have dflex line 2. Next to it we will have dflex line 3. Now what about flex row reverse? First, it will start from the right. So at the right end, we will have flex line 1. Then just to the left of it, we will have dflex line 2 and then dflex line 3. Let's take a look. See here, this is flex row. This is flex row reverse. It is starting with dflex line 1. Then left to it we have dflex line 2 and then dflex line 3. Next we have flex column. Okay, previously the direction was horizontal. Why? Because it was flex row. Now the direction is vertical. Why? Because the flex direction is flex column. 1, 2, 3. Then we have column reverse. So first it will have 3, then 2, then 1. See here, it can be flex column and then flex column reverse. So I think you got the concept. Okay, now here I have tested with flex and inline flex also. Now did you find any difference? Yes. See here, the first difference which we can see here is flex row reverse. So what is this? See, for this, for display flex property, the container is of full width. Okay, that's why it is starting from here. Now in case of inline flex, it is taking only that much space which is needed since it is inline. So that's why its width, its total width, its container's total width is this much. So that's why it is starting from here. Then you can see another difference in flex column and flex column reverse is its width. Again, it is taking full width of the container. Here it is full width, but for inline, it's taking only that much space which is needed. Alright, so you can take a look at this document and you can understand it better. So I think that you have already understood the concept. If you have any issue, let me know. And you have these files, just go through it, open in browser, okay. Then go through one by one, you will understand it. Test it yourself also. Alright. Okay. So that's it. Here we have understood flex direction, which can be either flex row or flex row reverse, flex column or flex column reverse. Remember one thing, don't forget to mention deflex, because it is only telling that this container's display property is flex. Then only these values, these properties will be implemented, else it will not. Okay guys? Alright. So see you in our next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.